Are you looking for the best budget cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best budget cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon EOS R50. If you're looking to buy brand new, the Canon EOS R50 is one of the best budget mirrorless cameras you can get. It has a lot to offer for those buying their first dedicated camera. With simple controls, a fully articulated screen, and a highly portable body, you can bring this camera wherever you go. Its APS-C sensor captures excellent image quality, and the camera has one of the best autofocus systems in its class, so you rarely have to worry about missing focus, even with moving subjects. Beyond that, it has surprisingly advanced video features for a budget camera, including uncropped 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second and the option to capture 10-bit color internally in its HDR-PQ mode. While there's no log recording option for more advanced shooters who want more flexibility with their footage, it's still a very capable video camera for the price. The biggest downside here is that there are relatively few APS-C lens options for Canon's RF mount. However, the R50 is still a good investment for those who eventually want to upgrade to a full-frame camera, since it shares the same lens mount as higher-end models in Canon's mirrorless lineup. Number 2. Sony Alpha 6400. If you want a budget option with a well-established lens ecosystem, choose the Sony Alpha 6400 or one of its Alpha siblings. The Sony Alpha 6100 is the cheapest of the bunch if you're on a tighter budget, with a lower resolution EVF and cheaper build quality, while the more expensive Sony Alpha 6600 offers a longer battery life and in-body image stabilization. Regardless of which model you choose, you'll have a vast library of E-mount lenses to choose from, including plenty of great third-party options that can help you step up your photography game. Though the Alpha 6400's ergonomics and user interface have a steeper learning curve than a camera like the Canon EOS R50, it offers an excellent sensor and a great balance of features. Despite being on the market for several years now, its autofocus is still one of the most effective among entry-level options, and the camera's relatively portable design makes it easy to take on the go. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10. If you're looking for a vlogging camera, the Sony ZV-E10 is one of the best budget options on the market. It uses the same sensor as the Sony Alpha 6400 mentioned above but has a more vlogging-oriented design. That includes a fully articulated screen to help you monitor yourself while vlogging and an improved stereo mic with a detachable windscreen to reduce wind noise when shooting outdoors. However, it does lack a viewfinder, making it less versatile for photography. The camera can record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and 1080p at up to 120 frames per second, giving you a fairly wide selection of frame rate options, whether you want to record smooth action footage or incorporate slow motion into your vlogs. The camera's autofocus system is also very reliable, ensuring you and your subjects stay in focus. That said, it can struggle with overheating when recording for longer periods in 4K. If you're willing to stretch your budget, the Sony ZV-E10 II is a more powerful video camera than its predecessor. It has more frame rate options, more advanced internal recording capabilities, and a bigger battery, but it's notably pricier. Number 4. Canon EOS R100. The Canon EOS R100 is the cheapest model in Canon's mirrorless lineup and one of the most affordable options currently on the market. If you want to avoid buying an older used model, this is a good camera to get you started. With a body that's just as portable as the Canon EOS R50 but with an even simpler, more pared-down design, this no-frills option will elevate your photography without breaking the bank, thanks to a great APS-C sensor borrowed from the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. While it doesn't have an articulated screen, and its burst rate is much slower than the R50, this model is compatible with all the same lenses, so it can give you a foothold into Canon's RF system and make it easier to upgrade bodies if you eventually outgrow it. However, its video features are limited. 4K video is capped at 24 frames per second with a significant crop. We recommend opting for the R50 if you can afford it, but if the R100 is all you can afford, it's a good place to start, with a very beginner-friendly design. Number 5. OMD EM5 Mark III. The OMD EM5 Mark III is compact, lightweight and comfortable, made for roaming the biggest cities to the smallest villages and even the most remote destinations on Earth. Equipped with a range of pro technologies like 30 fps sequential shooting, 121-point all cross-type phase and contrast detection AF, 5-axis in-body image stabilization, and 50MP high-resolution shot mode. This camera is able to capture stunning images on the go, making it the perfect travel companion. Enjoy versatile shooting features like Pro Capture, Live Composite, Focus Stacking, and Anti-Flicker shooting. The EM5 Mark III is at the center of an expansive system of lenses and accessories, making it seamless to build the ultimate system for you. The EM5 Mark III. All you need to break free from heavy gear and see the world.